I broke 10 racks in this motherfucker. 10. Told her break her back in this motherfucker. Hey. She came with a friend. Double trouble.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm uploading yet another video. As you can see by the title, this is yet another reaction video. I'm going to be reacting to Stormzy, Sounds of the Skeng, which is currently #1 on trending. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below your thoughts on the video if you want me to react to more videos. Make sure you comment down below also. And make sure you subscribe to the channel as I am on my way to 300 subscribers. And I need you guys help to get there. So that would be very appreciated. And without further ado, I'm going to catch you guys in the next shot. Pow! Alright, let's get in with the video, innit? Sounds of the Skeng in education. Easy, yeah?
And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit, every single year I murk it. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip more than reverse it.
More than reverse it, guys.
Don't reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's like a bitch, I'll stay wrong and make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school man just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my man, I kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and merge. Then man lift up the waist, my skirt.
Lift up the waist, my skirt, you get me?
I know the truth from her. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Now me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul. My friends foul with a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So
no.
Give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up facts. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude, but you do the math. So I look in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big snap you, but it's funny it fits now. The source gonna stick to my swag and trips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. You niggas know what it is now, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and merge. Then man lift up the waist, my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth from her. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Now me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul. My friends foul with a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this track. They're trying to figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track. My flip like miss this train. Little niggas can't hit this train. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this train. Talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic. Big it in person.
Mad flows from Stormzy, bro. I mean, what can you expect from Stormzy?
Niggas gonna dip this train, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and merge. Then man lift up the waist, my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth from her. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Now me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul. My friends foul with a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Big Mike don't need no assistance.
No assistance.
Give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Listen guys, Stormzy came with the maddest flows here. I mean, what can you say? All the Stormzy songs are just cold. Spits off the dome. I enjoyed it. Tell me what you guys thought of the video. Make sure you leave a comment on your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, do remember to smash the like button. And yeah, that's been me. And since it is a Stormzy video, remember to stay murky, yeah? Subscribe down below as well, on the road to 300 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.